So for today's assignment, back to STEM Scopes, click on Coding and Coding Projects, and this time we're going to do how do I make a stamp move? How do I make a stamp move? So you might want to pay attention because you're going to need to you're going to need to write notes. So use a pair of coordinates or a direction and a distance to tell the stamp where to move. Use a number to specify how much time the move should take. For example, 1 second is 1,000, half a second is 500. Kind of like back when we were doing our stop animation slides. So we're going to do invaders from space. This app makes a robot and an alien move to different places. So I'm going to move this over here just so I can see a little better. So line 1's going to now say robot equals stamp. And I want the stamp, make sure I'm not spacing, maze bot, comma 200, comma 200. And then I forgot to do equals, I put a minus, oops. And now I'm going to do alien is named stamp alien 3, 200, 500. And of course hit play to see if I actually get what I want. Okay, notice they both start 200 pixels from the left margin. Step 2, add a move command to make the robot move to 600, 800 over 3 seconds. So line 3 is now going to say robots.move to 600, 800, and take 3 seconds to do it. So let me just make sure I got that right, and let's hit play. And it took them 3 seconds to get there. Just to make sure that 3 was working, let's change it to 5. Half second. Okay, I like 3,000. It gives them a chance to get there and for me to see what's going on. One more time. There we go. Now, add a move command to make the alien move down 300 pixels and over for 5 seconds. So I'm going to add another line for alien.move down 300, and it's going to last for 5 seconds. So I'm going to hit play, and he's going really slow. What would happen if I change that to 3,000? And so they both get to their destination at the same time. So take a moment, maybe write down some notes so you know exactly how to use this. So your challenge is to start the aliens in each corner up here at the top and have them move to the opposite corner so they make kind of like an X across the screen. That's your challenge, to start the aliens in different corners and move them down in an X to the bottom. Once you've completed that, rename it your name moving space or something and add the link to Google Classroom. So I'm hiding my code, but this is what I'm expecting to do. Start them off in one corner, end up in another corner. 3 seconds works great. I would like you to change the images so they're different images, and change the icon to match, and of course change the name. So change these images so they're different aliens, change the icon to match, and rename it. And again, share the link in Google Classroom.